Sige, ubo pa. Pinakagwapo sa balat ng nilalang.
Yung mga yung medyo wavy kang buhok kayo.
Yan.
Wala na naman yung pagkano. Sira-sira akong kanina pang sumangin ko sa wavy.
Ha? Interviewin kita, gusto mo? What can I do for you before the next day is coming every day?
Every day is nothing but a day. It's day die. Huh?
Yeah.
Next question, please.
Because of anything there, I have nothing.
Oh, no. It's the complexion of the earth completing the universe.
Yeah, the mass liquid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a comfortable.
Oh, that's right. Okay. What else?
Sometimes the girl happy and every day come together.
But next question, please. Next question.
What you say?
They say it's if Jordan can airwalk, no, it's a cobra, man.
Airwalk?
Cobra, yeah.
Cobra, yeah, that's a good drunk and drink. Something you go to heavy and heavy.
Oh, heavy? It's heavy? No, it's dato puti.
Dato puti.
Yeah.
Like a water.
Yeah.
Water is a good higher. Max done. Max done.
That's right. Absolutely. You know naman, thank you for Mrs. President.
Yeah, and Noynoy Jordan Aquino.
Yeah.
I love you all. I love you all, Philippines, and good Asian porn.
Porn legacy.
Yeah.
Thank you for that question. I love it.
What do you think, sir? Hey, wake up and walk up. Stand up. Don't fuck up. What? What did you say? Say nothing. Say more. Don't nothing.
Nothing to say.
Don't nothing me. Just give it me.
Yeah. Don't English me. I get panic.
Don't English me. I get panic. I hear you everything.
I'm getting nervous system.
Yeah.
Don't English me. I get panic. Gigising ka na?
Don't wake up. Walk up. Walk up. Hey, what happened yesterday and tomorrow? What happened yesterday and tomorrow? Hey, BG!
Pagkakan natin ng ano kanina?
BG!
Tornilyo.
BG, come here. I have a question for you.
What?
What happened tomorrow in
Tomorrow?
afternoon?
Afternoon is tomorrow when...
When yesterday coming?
Yeah.
Tomorrow? When yesterday coming tomorrow, what happened?
It sucks, man. I don't understand what question me.
When are you company every day?
Where are you compare day? And happening tomorrow? Yesterday coming today.
Ha?
You don't understand what
I
British language?
yeah.
British is a good accent, you know.
What can you say tomorrow never come?
Tomorrow never
Tomorrow
come.
never come is trading. No, never come. Nothing.
And 1 minute. You have 1 minute to saying this a fucking nigga. You want to learn? You want to learn how to English? I teach you. Come on. Say everything.
No thanks, no thanks.
Say everything. I understand you.
First English. Kiss.
Where's English from?
Where English from?
From Visayas, Mindanao in Pacific.
Islamic food.
Yeah. You have a sick. You have a sick. What kind of sick? Secondary. Oh. Your head is your head is a head. Good head.
Forehead.
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 And I have a big front head. Side to side,
Forehead.
front to front, and back to back.
Forehead. Forehead.
Ding,
Ah,
hindi ko makita.
Di ba tayo ikaw uling umawak?
Ikaw kaya?
not me.
Can you transfer Tagalog in English?
Can you transfer Tagalog in English? Don't alone to me. Don't alone.
Get me away from you!
Everybody can judge me, not to God. Ano?
Wala, Bi. Ikaw may hawak. Di ba may pinapagawa ka nga sa akin?
Ikaw ba uling umawak? Ako si Junlay.
Hindi, may tong nga pala dito.
Ikaw huling humawak, B. Ikaw huling humawak, yan na. Yan na.
Nakita namin.
Yan.
Ikaw uling humawak.
Your egg is changing the anong English ng balat?
Skill.
Skin. Changing the skin. Your egg. And this is my big brother. Nah.
My brother.
My brother is not a pig.
My brother is not a pig. This is a nothing.
You Mongoloid!
Mongolite. Stop. Stop.